Ẹ kú ojúmọ́ ní gbogbo ibi tí ẹ ti ń wò mí tí ẹ sì ń gbọ́ mi. Orúkọ tèmi ni Yétúndé Adébáyọ̀. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò tí a pè ní Jẹ́ ká kọ́ Yorùbá. Kí ni nǹkan tí a fẹ́ kọ́ lónìí? A fẹ́ kọ́ nípa oríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ èdè Yorùbá tí wọ́n máa ń ní sípẹ́lì kan náà, ṣùgbọ́n tí ohùn àti ìtumọ̀ wọn máa ń yàtọ̀. A fẹ́ kọ́ nípa oríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ èdè Yorùbá tí wọ́n máa ń ní sípẹ́lì kan náà, ṣùgbọ́n tí ohùn àti ìtumọ̀ wọn máa ń yàtọ̀. Good day everyone, at every place where you are watching and listening to me. My name is Yetunde Adebayo. You are welcome into this program titled Jẹ́ ká kọ́ Yorùbá. What do we want to learn today? We want to learn about Yoruba different words that they normally have same spelling but different tone and different meaning. Yoruba words with same spelling but different tone and different meaning. That's what we want to learn today. Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ. Ìwọ̀nyí ni oríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ èdè Yorùbá tí a fẹ́ gbé yẹ̀wò. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n ní sípẹ́lì kan náà, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí tó jẹ́ pé sípẹ́lì kan náà ni wọ́n ní, ṣùgbọ́n ohùn àti ìtumọ̀ wọn yàtọ̀. These are the examples of Yoruba words that they have same spelling but different tone and different meaning. Let's check them out one by one. The word number one is being pronounced as ara, rere, ara. What's the meaning of ara? Means body. The next word is ara, dome, that's the tone. Ara means thunder. We call thunder in Yoruba, we call it ara, dome. The next word is ara, dodo, ara, that's the tone. It has lower tone all through. What's the meaning of ara? Ara means style. You want to say style in Yoruba, you will say ara, dodo. Okay? The next one is ara, remi, ara, that's the tone. Ara means relatives. We can see that we have 4 words here with same spelling but different tone and different meaning. Let's pronounce the words again. Ara, body. Ara, thunder. Ara, style. Ara, relatives. So we can see that these words, they have same spelling but different tone and different meaning. Another group of words are ogun. Ogun means god of iron according to Yoruba culture. God of iron is being referring to as ogun, dome. Okay. The next word is ogun. Ogun means war. Another word is ogun. Ogun means number 20 or an inheritance. We want to say number 20 in Yoruba, we say ogun. You want to say inheritance in Yoruba, you will say ogun. Okay? So it depends on how you structure your sentence. The structure of your sentence will help your listener to know whether you mean number 20 or you mean inheritance. Another word is ogun. Domido. Ogun means sweat. Okay? It has long vowel O, ogun. ogun. Okay, ọ̀rọ̀ mìíràn ni ogun, do. This one has lower tone all through. Ogun, do. Ogun simply means medicine or charm, native charm. Okay, so in Yoruba, whether you mean medicine or you mean a native charm, you will call both ogun. Okay, so we can see that we have 5 words here, 5 words of same spelling but different tone and different meaning. That is how Yoruba language works. Okay, let's check another group of words. We have 2 more here. Ogbon means wisdom. Okay, another word of that spelling is ogbon, redo, ogbon means number 30. You want to say 30 in Yoruba, you will say ogbon. Okay, we can see that these 2 words, they have same spelling but different tone and different meaning. So this is how Yoruba language works. Okay, if anyone is willing to learn Yoruba language, such a person will first of all learn the tone, because Yoruba language has to do with tone. It's a toning language. This is how Yoruba language works. So there are many Yoruba language words that they have same spelling, but they are not the same. Same spelling but different tone. Is the tone that will differentiate one from another. Okay, this is where we are going to stop for today. Thank you as you are listening. Ẹ ṣeun púpọ̀ fún àkókò yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń tẹ́tí sí mi tí ẹ sì ń wò mí. Do you want to learn more? You want to hire a Yoruba teacher, a translator, transcriber, proofreader, a content writer in Yoruba language? Please do reach out to me on this number that I put on the screen, or you can send your mail to me through this email address. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. And please do subscribe, for this will help you in order not to miss any of my class. Thank you and see you in the next episode.